Hello, in this video, we're going to look at the SQL WHERE clause. The SQL WHERE clause is used to filter records or return records that satisfy a specified condition. So we type the select clause and we select the columns that we want, or we'll just say the columns that we want, and then from the table that we want to select from. So I'm just going to select some columns. Actually, I'll just select all. You need to be careful using the asterisk, especially in a live production environment. So if you were on the job, you would need to be careful using asterisk because that's going to return all the columns. In this case, this would return everything from the orders table. So if you had millions of records, this could potentially use up resources and clock for a while. Okay, so to use the where clause, we simply type where and then type the condition that we want to filter. So I can say where order date, for example, is greater than some date that's on the record. So I'll just say where order date is greater than 2012-04, April 3rd. And this is going to allow us to filter or only return records who have a order date greater than or after 2012, April 3rd. So when I execute that, and I'm going to go ahead and drag my result window up, because at the moment it's not showing. And there are records, and if we looked at order date, we would see that all of our order dates are greater or after 2012, April 4th. I'm sorry, April 3rd. So sometimes you'll want more than one condition to be met. In that case, you would use the AND clause. So we can say AND. Now keep in mind, some shops will ask you to capitalize all of the keywords in a where clause. I also ask you to either capitalize them all or the first letter of each keyword. So then we can say and. So I'm just changing my case to all caps on the fly. So do one or the other. You don't choose one or the other and be consistent with it. So be consistent throughout your assignment. So we're going to just get also where card type is Visa. So that's going to be our second condition. So where card type is Visa. So we can run this, and now we only see records, and this bottom result set is from a different. Actually, I have some things at the bottom of this editor window, so let me just clean them out here. So we only see one result set. And I must have something else down here. Yep. Okay, so now we should only see one result set. And we should only see order dates greater than April 3rd and card types of Visa. And as you can see, that's what we're getting. So this is how you can use the AND clause with the where, and you can filter, use the AND to filter on two or more conditions. So in this case, both conditions have to be true to be returned in the result set. So this has to be true, and this has to be true to be returned in the result set. Okay, so that's the AND clause.